to Quadzinator YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about relay. What is a relay? Basically a relay is used in many applications. Why I'm presenting it in my channel is because we're going to talk about it and use it in robotics and further robotic applications. So what does a relay do exactly? A relay enables us to operate a high voltage circuit using a low, or control a high voltage circuit using a low voltage circuit, something like a switch. And it has another purpose, something for the other purpose is for protection, you can say. So by using this method of separating high voltage circuits and controlling them by using a small voltage circuit, we protect ourselves, or protect the small controlling circuit from any damage that can happen from the high voltage circuit. That's another application. So now I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna explain about the relay exactly and its pins. The first two pins right here are the input pins, where we connect. You can say this pin and this pin. We connect them to the small. So now we're gonna explain about. Now we're going to explain about how it works exactly. As I explained that a relay is controlled by a small or low voltage circuit that controls a high voltage circuit. And how does it perform this controlling mechanism? By this coil right here. This coil right here is a magnet. Whenever the switch is turned on, the magnet works. Therefore, it pulls this metal conductive material towards the NO. NO stands for normally off, NC stands for normally connected. So again, when we connect the small circuit, a small or low voltage circuit, this small circuit right here, the magnet turns on, pulls the pin to NO, then we got a connectivity for the high voltage circuit. Alright, so in order to illustrate what I just explained in a practical manner, I just made a circuit right here in the breadboard just to explain how it works exactly. Pin 1 here and pin 2 are connected to, you should connect these to the small circuit or the low voltage control circuit, and the middle pin right here, I call it pin 3, and pin 4 are for the circuit that you want to control. Alright, so let me just put it in its position. Put it in its place, okay. Nicely put here. Alright, so what do we have here exactly? We have a 5-volt source. Of course, this is a 11-volt battery, LiPo battery, connected to this down converter, which inputs 5 volt. So we connect the 5 volt to the switch, and then, as we said, to pin 1 and pin 2. I connected this small LED right here that works and operates only on 5 volt in order to show you that I'm controlling a high voltage circuit using a small voltage circuit. And then connected to the high voltage circuit is connected from this 3rd pin in the middle to this battery, which is 11 volts or 12 volts approximately. Which will light up this LED strip that only operates on 12 volt and ends up in this 4th pin right here. Again, 5 volt input, which will operate a 12 volt output. So whenever we switch on this switch, we can see that 5 volt LED is working, and in the same time, in this high voltage circuit, the 12 volt circuit is also working. So this will help us a lot in robotics, especially in controlling robots that need high voltage circuits with circuits from, let's say, Arduino or Raspberry Pi that operate only on 5 volt. Anyways, hope you like this video, hope it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.